Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about circulatory system. Organisms need food, water and oxygen for survival. They need to transport all these to various parts of the body. So the organ system of the body that is responsible for the transport of material throughout the body is called the circulatory system. And the main function of circulatory system is to provide oxygen, nutrients and hormones to muscles, tissues and organs for the proper functioning. There are mainly three parts of circulatory system: blood, blood vessel, heart. In the picture we can see, so we all are familiar with the term blood. So blood is red in color. It is red due to the presence of hemoglobin in it. So hemoglobin, it combines with oxygen and it is mainly responsible for the transport of oxygen in all the parts of the body, to each and every cell. So blood, it flows through the blood vessel. Blood vessel is a tube-like structure through which the blood travels. There are mainly three types of cells: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC means red blood cell. It is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin and it transports oxygen from lungs to different parts of the body and carbon dioxide from different parts of the body back to the lungs. Then we have white blood cell. White blood cells provide immunity to fight with foreign microorganisms which can cause disease and infection when we are ill. Then WBC, it works for our healing. Then we have platelets. Whenever we fall down, we can see the blood after some time it gets clotted so that the further blood flowing stops. So platelets form a shield-like structure at the place of injury to stop bleeding. Then we have plasma. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood. Blood vessel. So blood vessels are pipe-like structure. We can see the water flow through the pipe. So blood vessel also acts like a pipe through which the blood flows. There are mainly three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. So arteries, they carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to body tissues. Since the blood flow is rapid and at a high pressure, the arteries are thick elastic walls. Then we have veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood away from the body tissues to the heart. Then we have capillaries. Capillaries are small structures and it acts as a binding agent and it binds arteries and veins. So heart. Heart is the important organ of our body and it helps in the transportation of oxygen and other nutrients through the blood. And heart is a muscular organ and it is situated on the left side of our chest and it is the size of our fist. And heart beats continuously. It continuously keeps on pumping blood. So heart is mainly divided into four chambers. It has four different chambers so that the oxygenated blood and the deoxygenated, it doesn't get mixed up. So upper two chamber of the heart is called atria, that is left atrium and right atrium, and lower two chamber of the heart is called ventricle, that is left ventricle and right ventricle. And the heartbeat is the contraction and relaxation of the muscles of which the walls of chambers of heart are made up of. So a number of heartbeat per minute is called pulse rate, and a resting person usually has a pulse rate between 72 to 80 beats per minute. If everyone can check what is our heart pulse rate. We can check at home. We can just put our finger here we can feel and we can just count. The function of the circulatory system. So the circulatory system begins in our right atrium, okay, the upper hand chamber of our heart. So blood moves from the right side of our heart through our lungs to get rid of the carbon dioxide and pick up oxygen and then return to the left side of the heart, ending up in the left ventricle. So the left ventricle is the strongest part of the heart since it must pump out blood to the rest of the body and it is a continuous process. Thank you everyone.